Yo, what's going on, guys? Today I'm going to give you an inside look of exactly what the K Squared fitness app entails. So I've been training since 2008, and over a decade, really, I put together a ton of different programs and continually optimize everything that I do because I'm a real geek on programming. So I won't dive into that too much, but essentially, I want to show you what it looks like once you join the app. So the first thing you do, you'll log in, you'll get it saved onto your phone, and then you're going to get access to all of these different programs. Just a quick little nugget here. When I first started out doing online programming years ago, I used to charge for each and every single program, but it got to be too complicated because people wanted to know what they were missing out on and they couldn't decide on which program to do. So I said, screw it. I'm just going to make it all inclusive and put it all into one platform. So you get access to it all, actually. Now, the difference is we got to help you determine what is best for you and your goals. And we'll actually do that on our coaching kickoff call whenever you sign up. If you decide to do that, I will help you determine, based off your goals, your lifestyle, how much time you have available, all those different things, what program is best for you. So lots of different programs in there. Just to go over a few of them, we got cardio if you want to improve your engine. Fitness, this is great for at-home workouts. Strength, this is great for strength is great for getting better at bench, squat, deadlift, those type of things. Executive is great for hotel. You don't have a lot of equipment. Gymnastics, running, athlete. Here's for beginners. HIIT training, all kinds of different stuff in there. But programming, there's tons of great programs out there. There's tons of great coaches. What separates us is this right here. You click on a program, and here's the layout. So as a coach, I'm always wanting my clients, you guys, to focus on one thing at a time. And that's exactly what we do here. We're blocking out these different sections. And then check this out. If I click on this core section, so years ago, when I used to follow programs, I would get in, I would get the program, and sometimes I wouldn't know what to do. And it was quite frustrating because I'd have to go over to YouTube and then look up what it is. And then sometimes I go to YouTube and I couldn't even do it. So then I have to figure out how to do my own scaling and progressions. And I didn't want that for my clients. So we actually spent over a year and a half filming 3 hours a day, over 1,000 videos of exercise tutorials. And let me take one step back there. So what I'm getting at is all the exercises are in there if you're unfamiliar with it. So again, if I click on this core piece, you're going to see all of these different exercises that's for my specific level. I'm going to talk about that in a second. So strict knees to elbow, 20 seconds, hanging leg raise, plank. Let's say you had no clue what this strict knees to elbow was. You never heard of it. You could click on this video, and then here it'll take you to a full 90-second tutorial that I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, just like I would do in a personal training. And here's what's even cooler. Once you click start, on the screen, you can have this just playing and you can follow along. So it's supposed to be 4 sets, 20 seconds of strict knees to elbow plus the L negative. If you're looking at that and you're like, there's no way that I can freaking do that, you can click easier, and just like that, it'll change easier, 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 etc. All the way down to where everybody, my mother-in-law, my mom, or my dad can do it. The lowest level is going to be something that everybody can do. And if you click harder, it's going to be, the biggest challenge. In this particular case, a tuck bar lever, which is very challenging. Here's what's cool. If this is my level, whether it was level 1 or level 10, if I go back into this dashboard, now the program knows that this is my level. So what I'm getting at is I've worked so hard to be able to create what I call a personal trainer in your pocket. As you progress and level up and level down with all of these different movements, it's going to save that level to you. So as you get stronger, you can level up, and as you can progress at your own level. So I think that is the coolest thing that I've worked really hard on to replicate. A couple of other things on here, very, very well-rounded programming. So you have prep work where we're going to take you through foam rolling and stretching. And keep in mind, I'm just demonstrating one program. You might not have an hour, but I'm just using this program because it's one of our most popular ones. And just wanted to give you an outline of what a program entails. So in this particular case, you got all these different stretches. When I'm training, I do this all day long. I just want to be told what to do and just want to follow along. So I get in here, I click start, and I just prop the phone up, put it on my computer, put it on the iPad, whatever, and just follow along. And then I can just watch the timer. I'm not going to let this full minute play out, but if I were to, as the minute ticked out, it'll automatically transition to the very next exercise. And one other thing for you guys, if we looked at maybe this extra credit section, it's always going to tell you what equipment is needed for that particular section. So you can gather your stuff, you can get ready, and then just get ready to get plugged in. Again, if you're thinking, I don't have a pull-up bar or dip bars and all that stuff, this might not be the program for you, the K2 Fitness program. We have other programs that have minimal equipment, for instance, this K2 Executive program. But if you sign up, I'd love to have you. You get a free week trial, and you'll see more details on that in the email below. But also, once you get plugged in, now you have an inside look of what the app actually entails. If you have any additional questions, you can ask me by responding to this email. And I hope that you take the leap to take the next step in your fitness journey. I love helping people out. I've been doing this for years, and I am really excited for you to take the next leap. So if you have any questions, message me back. Otherwise, click the link to get signed up, and I'll see you on our coaching kickoff call. See you soon.